Now another important information about the complex numbers, that after finding the thing that I have discussed with you, that is what? The conjugate. Another component is how to find the modulus of a complex number. To find the modulus of a complex number, we must remember that if z is equals to 1 plus root 3 iota, if this is a complex number, then finding of its modulus, in general, if z is equals to x plus iy is what? A complex number with x its real part and y its imaginary part. Modulus of z is given by root of real parts square plus imaginary parts square. Here in this case, z is this complex number. So modulus of z, real part is here 1, its square is 1. Imaginary part or y is root 3, its whole square is 3. 3 plus 1 become root of 4, which is giving us what? 2. So what we say, the modulus of a complex number given by 1 plus root 3 iota is equals to 2. At the same time, I want to find the conjugate of the same complex number whose modulus we have calculated. The conjugate is 1 minus root 3 iota. As per rule, it is 1 minus root 3 iota because we need to change the sign of iota. If I ask you to calculate the modulus of the complex number, I will find the modulus of this complex number's conjugate. Real part is 1, imaginary part is minus root 3, its whole square is 3. So 1 plus 3, this become root 4. Answer comes out to be what? 2. So it's very simple that if there is a complex number and there exists its what? A conjugate, then we can say, we can find that the modulus of a complex number is 2, as well as modulus of its conjugate is also 2. So it is very important result always to remember to apply in the problems, that modulus of a number, that is complex number, and its conjugate are always same. And very important thing to remember is when any complex number is multiplied to, when any complex number multiplied to its conjugate, we get its modulus whole square. So this is important property which you need to remember, number 1. Number 2, that is the complex number and its conjugate have equal modulus, and when a number multiplied to conjugate, we get the modulus whole square.